previous video, we learned how agent can use tool like calculator and web search. But those tools were limited. Now we take a big step forward. We give agent the ability to work with files. This means agent can read the code, analyze the data, generate the report, write the file automatically. Basically, we are moving from agent that answer question to the agent that do real work. In this video, we will build a file processing agent. Okay, so we never allow AI to access full system files. We create a safe folder called the work files. Okay, this act like a sandbox. Okay, then the agent can read the file inside it and write the file inside it. Okay, but it cannot access system file, parent folder, and sensitive data. So this is very important for security purpose. Okay, so okay guys, now I'm writing code for file operation. Okay, here we are going to read file, write file, and generate the report. Okay, so first thing I'm going to import LLM config setting from here. Okay, and just copy and paste it here. Okay, I import path from pathlib. Okay, from pathlib I import path that we can access its path. Okay, I use one folder here, work files. Okay, work underscore files here, that it will read this file students.csv. Inside this I have name, age, city, and score. Okay, in this file. Okay, ignore these two files. Okay, so as of now I have student.csv in works underscore files. Okay, so this is another folder I have created here. Okay, so here this is LLM config settings. Okay, so here this is the function and it will return the config list. Inside this we have model name, API key, and API key type. Okay, and temperature equals to 0.5. Okay, so I use Groq API from the env file. Okay, so I already use this load.env file. Okay, it is used for read the env file. Okay, and here I use auto assistant agent, user proxy agent. I already explained so many times. Okay, and this is for register the function. Okay, and now I have created one set of work directory. Okay, that we can use in our code. So where is it? Okay, so here this is the setup work directory. Okay, for this folder work file. Okay, so this is our base directory. This is the variable name. It is going to use the path. Okay, and read the file path here, file path dot parent. Okay, so here base directory means work directory equals to base directory means it is giving you uh, 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 location from the AutoGen till here AutoGen. Okay, here it is giving the location till here. Array, 1 minute. It is going to use location till the AutoGen. This is called the base directory. Okay, and after base directory, in base directory what we have? Base directory we have work files. Okay, so it is use this folder work file. Okay, and inside this I have one file, this one. Okay, base directory path files. Okay, and here this is for this file exit. Okay, work directory dot mk directory exist. Okay, is equals to true means file exist. Okay, so here I have created one function save path. Okay, here I'm going to pass file name, that should be string. Okay, and here it is return the path. Okay, path equals to work directory. What we have work directory? This one till the AutoGen. Okay, and again after work directory we have file name. Okay, and I use resolve. Okay, make the path absolute. It is used for make the path absolute. Okay, and here if not path exists or start with this string work directory resolve, so it will raise the error invalid file path. Okay, otherwise it return the file path. This is for file path or file. Okay guys, if file exists then it will return the path, otherwise it will return the invalid path. Okay, so after this we have two tools. Okay, first is read the file and second is write the file. Read the file and write the file. Okay, so I have these two tools. First one is read file. Okay, so here I pass the file name. File name is the variable. Okay, so we have student dot csv file. Okay, so it is the path equals to save file. Okay, this function, this one. Okay, because I already mentioned the path here. Okay, so save file, I use this one. Inside this I'm putting here file name. Okay, if path not exist, it will give you error, file not path not found. Okay, and it will return the path dot read text. Okay, otherwise it will return the path dot read text. Okay, in text. Okay, here I also it will return the path. Okay, what is the path of it. And write file, here I also pass the file name here in string and content should be in string. Okay, and here path equals to save path, and here I pass the file name. Okay, and path dot write, it is used for write the content. Okay, so that's why I need to write this. Okay, and we return the here report returned successfully. Okay guys, so this is two, these are the tools for one is write file and second is read file. First is read file, second is write file. Okay, whatever is the order you use. Okay, now I'm going to create agents. Okay guys, so first agent, main function assistant agent. So guys, this is our assistant agent. Okay, so this is our main function. Inside the main function we have two agents. Okay, first is assistant agent, its name is data analysis. Okay, and message of this, you are a data analysis important, you have only two tools, read file and write file. Do not invent new tool. Okay, so do not call any tool other than these two. Okay, in process I call it, I read, I mean I wrote here call read file once and part the csv data yourself, no tool use. Okay, compute score average, top score, average score. Okay, average is call write file once with the correct result and reply done. Okay, strict no repeated tools call and no empty content and no extra tools. Okay, llm equals to llm config equals to get config, that we use here llm. Okay, and again we have another tool, that is user proxy tools. Okay guys, this is not here, this is a first tool. Okay, first tool, this is our first tool. It has brand. Okay, because I passed the ai here, and this is as a user, it does not have any brand. Okay, user proxy. This is our user proxy agent. Okay, its name is executor, human input mode never, code code execution config false. Okay, is termination lambda, is termination, here I use done. Okay, if it is done, if this one is done, then it will terminate. Okay, now we are going to initiate the chat. Now we are going to register the tool. How can we register our tool? Okay, so previously I registered like this. Where is our previous file? This one, web search. So in web search I registered tool like this. Okay, first tool like this, web search assistant executor name equals to web search. Okay, so I also going to register our tool like this. Okay, so here register function, I'm going to use read file. First function here I'm going to use read file, I'm going to register read file, read underscore file function. Okay, caller equals to assistant. Okay, executor equals to proxy. Okay, and caller means caller is assistant, assistant generate the answer when user send the answer. Proxy is the, proxy is like user. Okay, and function name, that is the read file description, read file content. Okay, I'm going to register another function, that is write file, this one. I have finished this. Now I have this register write file. Okay, so write file, I have function name write file, caller equals to assistant, executor equals to proxy, name its name is write file, and description write the content to the file. Okay, now we are going to create the chat in between both. Okay, so proxy equals proxy initiate the chat with assistant and write the message, analyze the student.csv and create the report.txt. Okay, so here this is our entry point. Here we are going to run the file. Now I'm going to save this file with control s, and now I'm going to clean this and I'm going to run file. This is our folder name and this is our file name, 03 file operation tool. Okay guys, so you can see here I got my output. So what is the question? Data analysis.csv analyze the student.csv and create the report.txt. Okay, so here this is our first question. You can see here assistant. So proxy is going to ask the question to the assistant. Proxy means executor. Ask the question to the data analysis. So I already mentioned name of the both. Okay, so data analyst is our first assistant and proxy is our proxy equals to executor is second assistant. Okay, so executor ask the question to the data analyze the student.csv and create the report. Okay, so here it is going to analyze. Data analyst is now giving the answer to the executor. Okay, file name it is giving yes file name dot student.csv. Okay, now it is going to execute and it is going to call this tools. Okay, input argument it is going to call this file, it is going to analyze this file. Okay, and execute the function read. Now it is going to call this read function. Okay, read file, it is going to read. Okay, so here this is the caller id. Okay, we are going to call this tool. Okay, and argument file name is students or csv and output it is going to read this file. Okay, and we will we got this output. Name is city and score. Okay, name is Elias, Bob, Carvel, Dave, whatever we have. Okay, and we have this age, these age and cities and scores. Okay, now executor to data analysis. Okay, so here response from the calling tool. So this is the response from the calling tool I got here, this one. Okay, so this is our answer. Now we are now data analysis is giving executor to answer for write file. Okay, so this is for previous we have for read file, this one is for read file. Okay, this is the final answer by using read file, and this is for write file. Okay, data analysis is giving answer to the executor by using read file function, this one. Okay, so it is like analyzing and we have content like this. Okay, okay, so it's what is it saying here? It is saying here like giving the top score. Okay, you can say here you can see here I ask data I mean user ask to data analysis to give me a top score. Okay, so data analyst giving user to top score. So top score equals to 95. Average age it is giving us average age, that is 30.2. Okay, number of student file it is giving the number of the student. Okay, that is 5, and file name that is report.txt. Okay, we will check report.txt, and this is like executing the result and execute function the write file. Okay, and here we got our output and done. Okay, this is for write the file. Okay, not read file. Okay, here we done our code because it is say that in the end done, so it will terminate here. It is going to terminate here, already terminate. Okay, so you can see here I have one more file here, that is report.txt. it is going to create after running this code. Okay, so top score is 95, average is 30.2, and number of student 5. Okay guys, this is the code, simple code. Okay, if you don't know, actually if you are learning this AutoGen, so I hope you already know about the python. You already knew about the python. Okay, how can we read the file, how can we write the file. Okay, and how can we write the file path. Okay guys, so I hope you already know. So first thing I'm going to explain again, we need to import these things in all videos, in all file. I already import these things. Okay, this is not new, and here I just import the LLM setting. Okay, model name, API and API type. Okay, in list. So this is the list. I use temperature, I already used many times, and this is for folder, this one, folder for work directory, this one. Okay, this is for folder setting. Okay, and this is for path, and this is for this these are two functions for read file and write file. Okay, and here we have in main function we have two assistant. First is assistant agent. Okay, assistant agent equals to assistant agent, its name is data analysis, and I already give the message here. Okay, and this has AI brand because I use LLM equals to LLM config. LLM config equals to get config. Okay, and I have one another agent, that is user proxy agent, which is going to ask the question, this one. Okay, and we registered the tool, first one for read file and second one for write the file. Okay, and we need to create here chat in between them. Okay, and this is the entry point that it will run this file. Okay, so I hope you got it. This is the logic behind of this. We just read the file. Okay, and it will create this report.txt. Okay, guys.